So wait, I have to bring how much for down payment? I have to bring how much for closing cost? And how the hell do you calculate that? Knowledge will spring you into action. So stick around and we're gonna discuss what is a closing cost, what is down payment, and as a bonus, I'm gonna give you some tips on how to save cash so that you can move into your house in no time. I am your realtor, Miguel, and this is your channel, Living in Arlington Today, where every week we discuss different topics that will help you navigate the process of buying, selling, and investing in real estate in Arlington, Virginia. What is down payment and how much is that? When you decide to buy a house, the down payment is the upfront amount that you pay towards the purchase price of the house. Let's say that the value of the house is $100,000 and that you're doing an FHA loan. So the down payment is 3.5%. 3.5% of $100,000 is $3,500. Now let's dive into closing costs and how it's calculated. Closing costs usually ranges between 3 and 4% of the home's purchase price. Typical expenses that you will pay outside the closing cost is the home inspection. And the items that you will pay when you go to closing include items like appraisal fees, attorney's fees, title insurance, origination fees, prorated taxes, and the prepaid interest, usually from the date of the closing until the end of the month. Let's use the same example as before. Purchase price of the house is $100,000 and we calculate about 4% for closing costs. That is 100,000 times 4%, it's $4,000. So let's put together the total cost. It is the $3,500 for the down payment plus the $4,000 in closing costs. It's totals $7,500. And your first mortgage payment will not happen until the second first of the month. So what does that mean? Let's say you're closing mid-October, so your first payment will be on December 1st. If you want to learn a little bit more about your specific case, give us a call or send us a text message. We'll be more than happy to set up an appointment and guide you through the process. I promised you a bonus of money-saving tips. Number 1, shop around for the mortgage lender. Some lenders will have different fees, plus some lenders will give you better interest rate. Number 2, negotiate the closing cost. If the market condition allows for it, I can negotiate for you so that the seller covers part or all your closing costs. And number 3, before closing, let's review and challenge some of those fees. Together, we're gonna scrutinize those closing disclosures for any duplicates or unexpected fees. If anything seems out of place, we can always discuss with the lender or the settlement agent. There you have it. So now you understand what is a closing cost and what is the down payment and some ways on how to save money. I added my contact information down in the description. If you want a list of all the closing costs that are associated with the purchasing of your house, call me, text me, or send me an email. I'll be more than happy to share that with you. We post videos like this every week, so if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you stay updated on all things Arlington real estate. My name is Miguel, and this is your channel, Living in Arlington Today. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next week.